Good afternoon, and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. I will be sharing with you healthy and tasty protein shake recipes. Considered by health experts to be an excellent source of protein, brown rice protein powder is an easy way to increase the macronutrient content of your diet. According to experts, brown rice protein is considered the most hypo-allergenic protein, which is especially important for individuals with chronic food allergies. When brown rice protein is mixed with a pea or hemp protein, they form a complete protein source with all essential and branched chain amino acids. Protein powder is easy to add to your diet in several healthy and tasty drink options. Brown rice protein can improve liver and heart function and regulate your cholesterol, in addition to supporting your weight loss and muscle building efforts. Since protein reduces the glycemic index of a meal, this will keep you satisfied for longer. Pea protein, especially yellow peas, supply a unique array of amino acids, the building blocks of body tissue, including skin, hair, and nails, muscles, hormones, enzymes that help your body function normally, and even your immune system. Pea protein is high in branched chain amino acids and has a 98% absorption rate. Hemp protein consists of all 20 amino acids, which are used by the human body. This also includes the 8 essential amino acids. Therefore, the proteins found in hemp seed are quite similar to the proteins that are present in the human body. Another advantage of hemp protein powder is that it is free of a particular type of carbohydrate, which leads to gas and an upset stomach in most people. I hope that you enjoy these protein shake recipes. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.